Hi, my name is Mike Rentis. I'm the instructor for the Machining Technology and CNC Production Specialist program.
So what is a machinist? The machinist is a person who transforms materials, not just metals, could be ceramics, could be plastics, but transforms materials from their raw state into a finished state that is used in various applications, such as automotive, medical device, defense, aerospace, countless number of things. Big misconception about what a machinist does is they think that there's just a person who stands in front of a machine. The variety of opportunities for a machinist are literally boundless. And the kind of types of industries that we service here in the Manatee, Sarasota, Hillsborough, Pinellas County area are typically medical or aerospace or defense or unique product lines such as Pierce Manufacturing that make fire engines, or companies such as American Torch Tip that can make parts that go into welding machines that all require machinists to make these various parts. In a machinist's world, machinists will operate a variety of types of machinery. So when I start off with a student, a brand new student who comes into my program, typically they don't have any idea as to what the possibilities are of the industry. And we start off talking about some of the local companies that have hired my students from the past. We talk about companies that will come in through the course of the year to talk to them and to explain what they themselves do.